Hey everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Shit Steve Has to Do Around the House. Yeah, the list is very long. But while it is December 1st and I'm in short sleeves, we're going to work on a few things outside the house first. So this will be a series. Stay tuned, subscribe, whatever, like, comments. Let me know if you guys want anything or have any questions on what to do. But first, we're going to start out with trimming the hedges. Pretty important to do to get the regrowth in the spring. Make sure it's all nice and even. As you can kind of see, this one definitely grew nice and pretty, but now it is hibernating. You want to make sure you check what kind of plants you have. If they do need to be chopped down, for example, these guys do not. But most of the other ones we have here, we will be chopping down, and stay tuned kind of what they look like afterwards and what you're kind of looking for. But it'll definitely help in the spring when you're looking to make the house pretty. Overall, I am not a handy guy. I have so many things that the wife has asked me to do that I have neglected, but we're going to try to get through a few of these and hopefully teach you guys a few things along the way. So stay tuned, ask questions, do whatever you guys want to do. Don't watch it. I don't really care because I'm getting my stuff done. But yeah. So the things we're going to need for this project, not very much. Hedge trimmer, gloves, that's it. Maybe your yard waste recycling bin or some Menards bags that you can kind of put stuff away in. But yeah, pretty easy. Let's see how long it takes and what it looks like after. Let's see how we did. So we're just cutting them down nice and easy. I'm gonna pick all this stuff up after. There's another one. Just trimmed it straight down. I already trimmed that tree up. This guy's next. Pretty easy. I've already done 6 in 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So doesn't take a whole lot of time. This project, my guess with the cleanup, under half hour. Pretty easy to do. Thumbs up. Let's just get stuff done. Get shit done. All right, let's take a look at how it ended up. All right, and I lied about the tools. I used my blower and a broom just to get all that stuff that was in there so it doesn't sit and wilt away and make more work for me to replace the rock with all the weeds that would grow in there. So easy job, easy job, easy job. Highly recommend. Suppose we can turn back in the spring and see how it ended up, but yeah, do this every year, and this one got a little bit late, but beautiful day, beautiful day. All right, stay tuned for tomorrow, maybe? I don't know, we'll see. Trying to think we'll see what we do tomorrow. All right, have a good day, guys.